very good morning to everyone present here. Warm greetings. It gives me great pleasure to extend an ardent and cordial welcome on behalf of Department of English, SDM Government PG College, Doiwala, Dehradun, conducting this ICSSI sponsored 2-day national seminar on social energy inherent in Ramkatha and its visual representations. We thank all our invited guests, scholars, dignitaries, seniors and colleagues for taking time out of schedule and joining us for the event. My sincere gratitude goes to our distinguished speakers who have obliged us by accepting our invite and have come to speak to us. I wholeheartedly welcome all the research scholars who have enthusiastically been communicating, showing their interest in the topic and have sent abstracts and interesting papers. I welcome the research scholars who are present here, coming over to listen to erudite scholars speaking on Ramkatha. I welcome my seniors and colleagues from the colleges and universities of Uttarakhand. I extend warm welcome to the people from press covering the event. My sincere gratitude goes to Professor Surekha Dangwal Ma'am, Vice Chancellor, Noor University, Professor D.R. Purohit Sir, Professor and Cultural Activist, Professor K.M. Pandey Sir, Professor Sadasiv Dwivedi Sir, who would be addressing the topic. I also welcome Principal Sir Dr. D.C. Menwal, who is the guiding force in the organization of this seminar. Sadhu Samaj Sangamahi Deva, Janu Tanu Dhare Kar Hi Sukha Seva, so says the greatest poet Tulsidas. On this auspicious occasion, when so many enlightened minds have gathered at a place to establish a fruitful discourse on him, I invoke the bestower of boons, the dispeller of the agony of the suppliant, who is an ocean of benevolence and the delight of his devotee, to come and further enlighten us. With a firm belief that he resides every human heart, I welcome Sri Ram, who is truth, consciousness and bliss personified. The story of Sri Ram is a limitless ocean, which no poet has ever been able to cross. There was constant felicity, joy and rejoicing when Ram returns to Ayodhya from Mithila, and days rolled on in this way. The city of Ayodhya was inundated with a tidal wave of delight that rose higher and higher. May we all experience the same delight and rejoicing as we delve deep into the vast ocean of wisdom, knowledge and beauty that would unfold before us through illuminating talks that would be delivered by our distinguished speakers. Let's celebrate the ever-present spirit of commonness portrayed through both folk and classical, marked by heightened emotions and convictions that are priceless, identifying themselves with the name and form of Ram. I welcome our Member of Legislative Assembly, Shri Vijayabhushan Garola ji, for accepting, and I thank him for accepting our invite. माननीय राजसत्ता का वैभव आम जन से उसकी संवेदनशील आसक्ति में निहित है एवं उसकी शक्ति मूलतः सशक्त रूप से लोगों को सहायता प्रदान करने में है। राजा रामचंद्र जी की जन जन के प्रति कल्याण एवं शुभता की भावना ने उन्हें युगों युगों तक प्राचीन जनमन का नायक बना दिया। प्राचीन काल से ही शासन सत्ता एवं ऋषि मुनियों, आचार्यों, मनीषियों के साथ में देश काल की रक्षा, सुरक्षा, उसके मान सम्मान, गौरव को बल प्रदान किया है। प्राचीनतम ग्रंथ दुर्गा सप्तशती में राजा सुरथ एवं मेधा ऋषि के साथ बढ़ती देवी की कालजयी स्तुति हो या फिर विश्वामित्र, वशिष्ठ जैसे ऋषि हो जिन्होंने स्वयं भगवान राम का मार्गदर्शन किया। ऋग्वेदों की ऋषि परंपरा हो। अनंत काल से ही ऋषियों मुनियों का साथ राज्य और देश को अनंत ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाता रहा है। आप इस उद्घाटन समारोह में आए, ये हमारे लिए प्रसन्नता और हर्ष का विषय है। Now, I am going to present the theme of the seminar as I am instructed by Dr. Rakhi Banchola ma'am to do so in the beginning itself. महिमा नाम रूप गुण गाथा, सकल अमित अनंत रघुनाथा। निज निज मति मुनि हरि गुण गावही, निगम